Hey you guys, Victoria Garrica here. I am launching the Living in Acadiana 2.0, and my first feature back is going to be at 121 Croft Row, which is located in Stonehaven on the river, which is very, very close proximity to East Broussard and Johnson. I'm going to show you in a second. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1885 square feet, and it was built in 2019. As you can see, it's very bright, open, airy concept, outdoor kitchen, a lot of amenities. You guys need to check. Okay, here you can see that we're located at the property. I'm going to show you that there's 2 exits out of the subdivision, one off of East Broussard and one off of Johnson. So you're right there at the corner. There's a CVS, Legends, a nail place, urgent care, pharmacy, tropical smoothie, a little gym. If you're a coffee lover, there's Jet. Again, right off of Johnson, traveling, showing you the Johnson and Ambassador intersection, traveling to downtown at this point. Downtown to the physical address of 121 Croft Row is about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the traffic. Really, that's kind of anywhere. Now we're gonna go back down Johnson and we're gonna venture towards Youngsville. Again, showing proximity, the blue dot's kind of where it's at. Going down East Broussard Cully Saloon, Our Savior's Church, traveling down East Broussard, and you'll hit East Milton. So if you have kids that go to school at Ascension, Ernest Gillette, Southside, Arca, this is a great neighborhood for you because you're only like 20 minutes away. Again, Ascension is right there. Now we're traveling up and then we're going towards like River Ranch area. We have hospital over there. We have Costco, Dave & Buster's, Topgolf, Dick's Sporting Good, anything that you can think of. This is a neighborhood shot. I know if I'm out of town or if I'm not familiar with the subdivision, I want to know what neighborhood that I'm buying into, what is the neighboring houses, what is the condition, because overall that increases or decreases the future value of your property. So as you can kind of see through the videos, you'll see some new construction going on, which is a great indicator that the neighborhood is thriving and that you will have newer comps to always kind of elevate your current comps, price per square foot, I should say. So you can see everybody takes care of their lawns, everybody's proud of their homes. There's a new construction home by St. Marie. Yeah, this is a great neighborhood. If you have children, if you are kind of wanting to downsize, it kind of hits those different buyer pools because of the size and the price point. So if this is something that you're interested in, there's the house. If you're interested in, give me a call and I'll be happy to help you.